All right, so I'm reading. You guys ever? Has anybody ever heard of dog nigga? Because it exists. I've seen videos about it. The YouTube algorithm just randomly suggested this since YouTube knows I watch and read a lot of manga and anime, even manhwas. If you guys don't know, it's a Korean comic. It's basically the Korean mangas. So yeah, dog nigga. This is the first chapter, my backstory. My name's Rex, and I'm a dog nigga. I never really fit in because of it. In fact, I never even had any friends. Bro, look at them pointing at this nigga like they're about to finger his ass or something. Like he just got diddled. I was created when a drunk old man, probably Diddy or Shane Dawson since he likes fucking animals, dry humped his cat, forced himself on a stray female dog. That bitch died giving birth to me. Because of my father, I had to live my life as a freak rejected by society. So one day I will find that man and rape him. And that's the first chapter. On to the next one. Mysterious assassin. I was literally walking out from the barber shop. I like how they just say literally. I was literally walking out from the barber shop. Thanks for the cut, Ron. Look at this nigga. Look at, bro. Let me see this nigga hairline. What is that? He got the seared fade on his head, bro. But that nigga was following me. I like how they just say nigga every sentence. Who's this nigga? I must admit, his moves are pretty fast. This nigga white, bro. The white, bald man. Well, this might get interesting. You must be Rex, right? Yeah, I am. Who the hell are you? Ah! A quiet one, huh? Let's get this out of the way. You're here to kill me, right? Prepare to die, you filthy creature. Yo, he's scrapping right now. Bam, 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 bam. Tickle. I say tickle. Whoops. I didn't even hear his name. Oh, I'm not doing that. What? Burn, nigga! Bro is Iron Man right now. He's flying through the air with some weird wings on his back. I don't know if he got Tetsu or not, but he looked like Iron Man right now. Or Goku. Look at this nigga coming through the rubble. Anyways, my name's Neo. And I was sent by your father to kill you. Father? Niggers? Oh, I can't say that. He's just gonna take my video down now. Let's go right now. I ain't letting nobody stop me from raping my dad.